So, what is a coordinate system? It is like a map, or a grid, used by the iDig software to pinpoint your exact location on planet Earth. The GPS measures the round Earth in latitude, longitude, and height. We construct on a flat plane using meters, northing, easting, and elevations. The coordinate system is the equation used to make this translation. To select a coordinate system, press anywhere on the work screen to access the toolbar. Press the project icon. Choose Settings. And then select Coordinate System. You can search for a coordinate system by EPSG code here if you know it. I will choose Custom. First, choose Download to install the necessary coordinate system database. Here, we have dozens of published coordinate systems from around the world available. I will choose USA NAD 83 2011, then select Download and Install. With the nearby box checked, only grid files near the machine's current location will be available. When unchecked, all the United States state plane zones are available for selection. I will select Colorado Central and hit Apply. And that's it. We now are using northing, easting, and elevations that match the Colorado Central State Plane Coordinate System.